some shitter back here. Just in case.
Did you see?
What? No, I don't want you peeing on me, dog. Sit. 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 Hey, you're pissing. Stop. 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 Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. I don't want you pissing on me. I don't want you pissing on me, little cutie. Shut up. Shut up. Are you crying? Why are you crying? Go ahead. Go over there. Stop. This dog keeps fucking a little piss trail.
Yeah. Like, get on your then go.
Come get me.
Watch your head behind you. Watch behind you. You can hit your head.
I'm running.
I'll get you. I'll walk and catch you. You're a little goofball. What's up, horsey? What's up, horsies? What's up, Boogie? What is your problem? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? You are... What is your problem, dog? This black horse is big.
Yeah, that's not good. Oh, no.
Were you supposed to shut the gate?
Yes.
They know they're supposed to go in there?
Yeah. He likes escaping, and
Yeah.
she usually doesn't escape, but
Where does he go?
he just like walks around. Usually he just comes back to that bed.
Can I climb it too? What's up, horsey? What's up, horsey?
Don't climb.
What's this horse's name? Harley?
Yep. I'm a video of climbing.
Yeah.
Horsey! Horsey! Horsey!
Did you get him treats? Did you get him some treats?
Yeah. Only 2 treats for the horse.
Oh, you get that one, little one. They take it from you nice? Oh, it fell right there. It's right here. It's right there. You got something for him too?
Just do it.
You know how you do it. I don't want to do it. Get on him.
He's telling me. Harley is the biggest. Harley is the biggest.
Yeah, give it. You're not giving it to him.
Oh, the bell.
Here.
So then
Right there.
yeah. There he is.
Here you go. Here, there's nothing on the floor for you.
And
Do they want him on the floor or no?
I don't think so.
Why are you feeling with your hand then? Are you scared they're gonna bite your hand?
Let me check. They don't want to eat them off the floor.
No.
They want to eat in our hand.
Maybe they don't see him. Run fast. They're so fast.
Yeah. I'm almost got my feet out of the water. I'm warming my body back.